More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byers, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byers. In this video, I want to talk to the young men again. This time about something I call the DTA Syndrome, drug, tobacco, and alcohol, and the addictive nature of man. Not understanding the use and effects of these items can have a devastating outcome in a young man's life. You know, social drinking, toting a blunt, snorting a line seems harmless. The party all of a sudden gets more exciting and the feeling is amazing. This is just a temporary response to that DTA stimuli, and we need to understand that so that it doesn't get out of control, so that we can keep our life on track, because the DTA syndrome is a dream stopper, or a grind stopper, or a career destroyer. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. DTA syndrome can become a financial burden for any young man if you don't understand the ramifications of doing it or using it. It can change your focus on your purpose to a secondary goal, something that, you know, is not really that important. You know, it changes your whole outlook on your future. Could cause problems with your personal relationships. You know, it can damage your family relationship, mother, father, your siblings, your sisters and brothers. It can cause problems within that relationship. And if you're married and have a wife and kids, DTA can also cause a problem within that family unit, that core family nucleus, and you don't want that. You want to be able to get through life and comfortable living and stuff. So the DTA syndrome can affect that immensely. So it's something that you want to understand, you want to be educated on, so that your future success is not in jeopardy. So it's very important. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byers. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, I need to reach 100 subscribers. So tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. Understanding some of the specific, there are statistics that was researched by the Surgeon General's office that 30,000 people died in the opioid crisis, having overdose. Another 20,000 overdosed on alcohol, cocaine, and other non-prescription opioids. So it can become a problem, and it's just something we need to be aware of. So that's why I wanted to talk to the young men and start getting their minds right to understanding what's out here and what you need to be aware of as a young man going forth, trying to get your future set and be a success. All right, guys. So thanks for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one. DTA syndrome is a ambition killer. It kills ambition in young men. So understand what it's all about. Educated on the effects and the use of drugs, tobacco, and alcohol. All right, guys. See you on the next. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.